This car wash was built back in 1954. We took over about 20 years ago. We had other people running it on behalf of our company. Unfortunately, they were losing money based on the old equipment that was here. It was old hydraulic type of equipment. The building was run down. Electrical was very antiquated. A lot of this stuff was obsolete. Just the maintenance cost of the equipment alone was just astronomical. We were never increasing business. We were just status quo, stagnant. Our numbers were really low. We lost a lot of customers to competition. We had to make changes quickly to stop the bleeding. We said to ourselves, okay, we need to bring this back to life. Deltic Wash did a lot of research for us, looked at other car washes around us, and they presented a great idea to us about new equipment. We were very excited.
I saw that they had an absolutely wonderful opportunity here to turn this little wash into something very special. So these guys had a budget that they needed to meet, but in this particular situation, they were coming right into the busy season. So we really had to step on the gas and get this thing going.
November and October is basically our peak time, and we needed to do this whole transition within 3 weeks. And it took us about a week to demo the whole entire building. We brought it down to bare roots. Within a week, they put the equipment in. We rebranded the whole entire company, brand new signs on the outside. We started putting our staff in uniforms. We brought them back to the 60s look with coveralls, and we started washing cars within about 3 weeks. Right now, we're in a month into the whole new system and the whole new program. I'm already getting customers asking for yearly packages. We have already seen double numbers from the year before, so things are progressing well. MacNeil and Deltic Car Wash was awesome right from the get-go. They help us with any issues along the way, so it's been very, very good relationship. They designed everything from start to finish. They took measurements, they looked at the equipment. People from MacNeil helped us build a whole new model, and now we're starting to see some profits coming in. It's so much easier to work with. Car goes through, they're getting a beautiful car wash. It's so much easier for us to check things online, see how the system's working. I never knew how much soap I was using. I never knew which equipment is breaking down. I'm getting data now that will allow me to make more better informed decisions later on. We have invested in the future.
You don't necessarily have to load a tunnel up with all brand new equipment and say, now you've got a great car wash. There's much more of a method to it. There's certain pieces of equipment that do certain things. So, there's a strategy on how to place everything in the tunnel so that you get very good coverage. You just have to be thoughtful about, what you're using. I've seen so many operations. I know what works, what doesn't work, the trends, what customers are looking for.
Now that we've changed the entire system, the word is out on the street, and we're starting to see customers that we never saw before. There was some customers that would refuse to bring their BMWs or Mercedes through the old system. Now with the new setup, we just brought a Lamborghini through. When you see these cars coming out, even the staff are complimenting it. And a lot of the staff have been here for about 15 years, and they're seeing a huge difference. Our customers are loving it. If we did not make these changes, we'd be bankrupt. I can assure you that.
I do this to see our customers really happy, really satisfied. There's so many variables up front. There's certain risks to making an investment like this. But at the end of the day, when you see it all come together, you see their accomplishments being met, their volumes are up, their customers are much happier with the wash. That's the whole reason we do this.